Verb and modal auxiliaries based on an NCERT syllabus. The engine of the sentence. What is verb? वर्ब इंजन है सेंटेंस का. डेफिनेशन क्या होगी? ए वर्ड दैट एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन, वर्क, possession or a state of existence. Ordinary verbs, the actions, auxiliaries, the helpers. जैसे एक पावर प्लांट होता है, उसके ऑक्सिलरी प्लांट्स होते हैं. ठीक है. तो एक मेन वर्ब होगा, मेन एक्शन होगा, और उसके हेल्पर्स होंगे, वो ऑक्सिलरीज होंगे. द मेन वर्ड डिस्क्राइबिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. सीता प्लेस, राम इज ईटिंग. Auxiliaries, helpers, helping verbs used to form tenses and modes. Helping verb used to form tenses and modes. Form of to be is, am, are, was, there. Form of to have, had, had. Form of to do, does, did. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. Subject to object. Action passes from subject to object. Meaning is incomplete without it. Ask what or who after the verb. She wrote a letter. He received a scholarship. Intransitive verb. Alone, stand alone. Subject. Action stops with the subject. Action stops with the subject. Meaning is complete without the object. The sun shines. The bell rang. She wrote a letter. He receives a scholarship. Intransitive. She wrote a letter. He receives a scholarship. The sun shines. The bell rang. Finite and finite verbs. Finite verbs. The changes. Limited by the number and person of the limited by the number and person of the subject. Changes from if the subject changes. He speaks, they speak. He speaks, they speak. Non-finite. The constants. Not limited by number of persons, not limited by number or persons. Does not act as the main verb. I like to give him money. They like to give him money. Remains unseen. I like to give him money. They like to. He speaks, they speaks. चेंज होता है. फाइनाइट में, नॉन फाइनाइट में टू गिव नहीं चेंज होता है. The three types of non-finite verb. Infinitive, to plus verb. The gerund, verb plus ing. The participle, verb plus ing. Act as noun. The infinitive verb, to plus verb. Act as a noun. To sit in the garden is her hobby. To sit in the garden. To sit in the garden. Sometimes to is omitted. You need not to write. To sit in the garden. Grunt. Act as a verbal noun. Cramming is bad habit. She loves wearing fine dress. Wearing fine dress. Verbal noun. Verb. Act as adjective. Barking dogs seldom bark. Barking dogs. Act as adjective. Cramming is bad habit. Grunt. Subject verb agreement. Golden rule part 1. The and rule. Two singular subjects joined by and usually take a plural verb. Two singular. Why and is it Ram and Shyam's are friend. Ram and are is plural verb. The first subject rule as well as along with together with and not. ये हो तो verb is with the first subject. The captain as well as the soldier was ready. The captain as well as the soldier was ready. She and not her sons is real culprit. She and not her sons is real culprit. एंड हो तो प्लूरल लगे, एंड नहीं हो और दो शब्द ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट वाले की लगेगी. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब गोल्डन रूल्स पार्ट 2. द नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट रूल आइदर नाइदर और नाइदर नॉर. द नियरेस्ट रूल द वर्ब एग्री विद द सब्जेक्ट नियरेस्ट. नाइदर ही नॉर हिज friend have arrived. Neither he nor his friends have arrived. Neither he nor his friends have collected one. Committees, juries, hers takes a singular verb connecting as a unit. The jury has decided. The jury has decided. The jury has decided. The committee juries take a singular verb and acting as a unit. The jury has decided. Money, time, or distance as a unit takes a singular verb. 600 rupees. The jury has decided. Money, distance, money, time, distance as a unit takes a unit. 600 rupees. 600 rupees is introduction to model auxiliaries. Definition: can, could, might, shall, must, would, ought to, could, should, might. They are used to are modal words. Can, could, might, shall, must, may, would, should, might, may. Modal words. Definition: any verb that expresses the mode of action, ability, permission system. That means the helping verb that expresses the mode of manner of action, ability, permission system. Garden, never alone. They require a main verb. No change. They do not take as yes or I. No cans, no mustings. Can, might, shall, should, will, must, ought to, used to, need, dare. These are auxiliaries. Model of ability, power, permission. Can. I can solve this problem. He can fix this box. Power. Permission, personality. No can. It may be personality. Ability, request. Could. Can आती है हमारे पास पावर एबिलिटी और could होती है पास्ट एबिलिटी और रिक्वेस्ट. I can solve this problem. I can fix this box. Could. He could swim when he could swim when he was young. He could swim past ability. He could swim when he was young. He could swim when he was young. Could you help me? Could you help me? Could you help me? Request. Could you help me? Okay. May, might. Permission, possibility. Permission, possibility. My remote possibility. May I come in? It may come today. He is working hard, he might pass. He is working hard, he might pass. Model of failure, determination and habit. Past habit. Good. Past habit. He would go for the similarly. He would go for a similarly past habit. Discontinue. I used to. Past. He would go for a similar. Discontinue. I used to live there. Future. Determination. Wilson. I will break the record. Future determination. Reality. He shall not follow the rules. Determination. He shall not follow the rules. He shall not follow that. He shall not follow the rules. Would can also be polite. Would you like to model of obligations and necessity? Model of obligation and necessity. Model of obligation and necessity. Should advise or duty. We should respect our duty. Should advise or duty. We should respect our duty. Must. Compulsion of strong necessity. The servant must obey. The servant must obey his master. The servant must obey his master. All obligation. The oath to serve must. I am must always does more the out to serve the country. Need necessity. She is not by a car. She need not buy a car. Need necessity. Not to buy. Dare courage. How dare you to contradict me? Jackie used to walk in the morning. Like that. Used to. Interrogator. Single subject. Does he need his help? The warning bells. Warning bells had rung past perfect. Warning bells had before analyzing. The warning bells had rung several times. क्यों had used by यहाँ पे past perfect tense है. Neither he nor his friends. अब neither he nor his friends तो इसमें have यूज होगा. मेरे subject friends. मेरे subject friends. The captain as well as the soldiers. Captain as well as soldiers were ready. Was ready. First subject captain. See you. The captain as well as soldiers was ready. Captain as well as soldiers was ready. Was first subject as well as में first subject use होगा. Bread and butter is same idea. Bread and butter is my favorite food. Bread and butter is my favorite food. She must urgency. She must go at once to her house. She must necessity. She must go. Derivation. Dish. May God grant you a long life. D. We ought to respect our parent teacher. Duty condition. Ought to moral duty. We ought to respect our parent and teacher. Would have done. I would have done the job if you had. If you had. I would have done the job if you had.